the light, turn left onto Westgate Drive.
I was riding through South Boston trying to get home yesterday. I saw all the people out there doing their thing. I hope you all had a great time. You stayed safe. You stayed responsible. Yeah, right. And seeing all that Kelly Green reminded me of the Celtics, who have just been, 5 games in a row.
In 600 feet, turn right.
Things every single night. And tonight they take on the Detroit Pistons. All right. Handle your biz. The championship is what we're aiming for. Don't forget that. And go out there and do work. The same way DJ Raw Barboza is doing work right now with the commercial-free Throwback Lunch Mix. Is hot.
Tell me what is the best she wants? Tell me what is the best she needs?